Well, looks like the going's tough, but Mandy's gonna try it. She thinks it's not that bad. She's gonna lay back and get a run on it. It's only a couple feet from here to there. You know, maybe just a tire deep. Forgot to bring our picnic basket with our forest wine and our mud sandwiches. I don't know if this is normal. I think if that's the trail. Hell, even the Garmin says make a U-turn. Looks more confused than we are. Confounded machines. They don't call them confusers for nothing. Son of a diddly. The river's really chooching. Is it the canal? D&R canal? D-or-R canal? Oh, hello berries. Berries and cream.